Hey guys, my name is Apur Agarwal. Hope you all having an amazing day. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I put out videos just like these every single week which you don't want to miss out. So today we are going to talk about a really interesting topic, which is bro diet versus if it fits your macros, which is flexible dieting. I have made some good progress over the past 2 years and I want you guys to better yourself as well. For a better understanding of this concept, you first need to understand what macros means. For example, protein, carbs and fats and how many calories each of them contains. Like 1 gram of protein and carbohydrates contains 4 calories and 1 gram of fat contains 9 calories. If you want to know more about macros, then I'd suggest that you watch this video first. After that, get into this one. So basically, what is a bro diet? You must have met or seen people who only eat chicken, rice and veggies, nothing, absolutely nothing else. No junk food, no sodas, nothing at all. Some of them don't even put dressing on their food. Why? Because they think that it will somehow hinder their progress in the gym. They will not make the best progress. I mean, they are not wrong, but if a normal human being like me or you who don't want to compete on some stage, all we want is to look fit, make some progress in the gym and enjoy life as well. Do you really think you can eat like this your whole life? Seriously? Because I cannot, man. I tried eating like this before. Chicken in every meal because more protein, man. I avoided going out because it will somehow hinder my progress, and let's just say life wasn't good. Yes, I made progress in the gym, but man, lifting wasn't fun anymore. So I started searching for all types of diet, and then I came to know about flexible dieting. So what flexible dieting means is, if you are hitting your macros, that is, you are consuming enough protein, you are hitting your carbs and fat requirements of your day. It doesn't really matter where you get your calories from, because at the end of the day, it's all about calories in versus calories out. You can literally eat McD all day, but you will still lose fat if you are in a calorie deficit. But there's a catch. Now, a lot of people who follow flexible dieting think that they can eat junk food all they want, because at the end of the day, they are still making the same progress when they are eating healthy food. Will ignore their fruits and veggies, but man, you are not supposed to do that. The right way is to follow an 80 to 20% rule. 80% of your food whole day should consist of the basic healthy foods like eggs, oats, rice, etc. And the rest 20% you can fill up with whatever you want. In this way, you are eating healthy as well and you are satisfying your taste buds as well. This is the proper way to make gym your lifestyle, man. From the outside, you may be fine eating junk food all day, but from the inside, it will destroy your brain, your stomach. You will not feel good. You will always feel hungry because junk food is really calorie dense. A burger is around 1000 to 1200 calories, man. And do you really think the quality of carbs and fats which you get by eating a pizza is same when you eat an oatmeal? So yeah, this diet can be a blessing if you know how to control yourself. If not, it's a curse. If you want to know more about what I eat in a day, macros, each meal, everything, then I make sure that you check out my full day of eating video. I've shown everything in it. Measuring your food in the starting can be a pain in the ass, man, but after a while you can eye measure it. Everything becomes simple. So yeah, I hope I covered everything, cleared your doubts. If you have more doubts, questions and need a diet or workout plan, make sure to hit me up on Instagram. Username will be in the description box below. If you want to see any other video related to any topic, comment down below as well. So yeah, share this video with your friend who is also confused. Make sure to check out my other videos related to fitness or same topic as well. That's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next video.